Welcome to day 3 of the Balance Box series. This project we're about to do was a last minute idea, and it's actually one of my favorites out of the whole thing. Now, can you technically fit it into your balance box? No, but it's worth it, and it will help you with your mood. It'll make you feel warm on those cold days, and if you don't have access to a fireplace, you should do this instead. Okay. No matter where you purchase or get your candle holder, base, or bowl, it needs to be made of either red clay or cement/concrete, because those are the only materials that can handle high levels of heat. I put 1 wick for every 4 square inches because of the shape of the bowl, but you can also do what's suggested online is 1 wick per inch over 3 inches. 4 gets 2, 5 gets 3, 6 gets 4. You get the picture. Granulated candle wax has got to be one of the best inventions of all time. It's fail-proof and literally comes in all different colors. I chose black to make it look like ash from a fireplace. How many times do you think it took to light these wicks? It wasn't once. It wasn't even twice. Nope. It was 4 freaking times. Do not do what I did and blow out the candle. You'll blow hot candle wax everywhere. Instead, use something that can withstand hot temperatures to put out the flames.